Hello, this is Dr. Mercy. Good morning and good afternoon or good evening, everybody. I would like to dedicate this song that I will sing in Shona, and which I learned in Zimbabwe. And whilst we are on the topic of Zimbabwe, I also dedicate this song to President Obama and the Prime Minister in UK and the President of the European Union, to remind them that the embargo, the illegal embargo in Zimbabwe is affecting orphans, black orphans. And that's why I call it a racist embargo, because it is the blacks, poor blacks, that are being affected by the illegal embargo, which is economic sanction sugar-coated as travel sanctions. Whilst I was in Georgia, the deep south in the USA, I got this Holy Bible, and it's the King James version, and not the diluted international version. This is the Bible we never have in Zimbabwe since it was colonized by the British. And I was so pleased to find this Bible. So today, I am appealing or telling President Obama that when he signed a bill to extend economic sanctions on Zimbabwe, this is exactly what he is doing. The sanctions are impoverishing. This is just like flogging poor blacks. And in this Bible, the Holy Bible here, it talks also of the crucifixion of Jesus. As you know, Jesus was a Hebrew. So you find that we are crucifying Zimbabwe with sanctions. And in this Bible, it talks of Zimbabwe also. And just to remind everybody that we need to seriously look at the crime of imposing illegal sanctions on Zimbabwe, and they have to be lifted without any doubt and with immediate effect. Here is a song, I used to sing as a little girl, which I learned in Zimbabwe. And it talks about how he rose early in the morning. When they went to the tomb, they went to see him, and he had risen. Mangwanani. We are going to sing, the two of us.
Yeah. Mangwanani, 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 Mangwanani,
emusi wesondo,
Mangwanani,
vakafumira
Mangwanani,
vakafumira kuguva, zuva ratobuda